Question: do you remember this video?
And I got busted doing the video.
What about now?
Core, perlite, and a fertilizer. Ooh, that I did not put in here. Dadgummit.
I bet you remember now.
Then you just mark each little area where
Here's the exciting video you've been waiting for. Here are the results of our carrots grown in a 5-gallon bucket method. Welcome to the D&D Gardening channel. Here's your host, D.
Okay. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Dee from D&D Gardening, and today I am going to today is Monday, January 27th, and I am going to harvest carrots. I think I've got spring fever, even though spring is not even here yet, but I want to get the carrots out. I want to get them stored away, and I want to treat the soil so it will be ready for spring. So I'm going to take the carrots out because they have been over there for almost 5 months. I know it's been that long. So that's what we're going to do today. So you're just going to see me, as usual, bouncing around the garden, grabbing carrots. And I've got some in grow bags. I've got, do I have any? Nope, just grow bags and right over there. So come with, now this little vest that you see that I have on, not affiliated with whatever this company is, but my husband, boy, he be looking out. This vest is heated. There's a battery pack, you probably can't see, but it's a battery pack in the pocket on the inside here, and you charge it up, and then once it's full, of course, unplug it, connect it to the vest, and you got a warm jacket. And as long as my core is warm, I'm good. So I'm good. And it feels so good too. It's got a warmer on the back of your neck. It has one down your back, and it just kind of wraps around your waist. It is like a big warm hug. So yeah, and of course he got it from my favorite store, so they need to pay me for as much as I advertise them. But anywho, let's get started. I'm going to turn my tunes on and grab my basket, and we're going to get to yanking up some carrots. Just too late, I want to know. Too late, baby, too late. It's just started. Baby, too late. Too late, too late, too late. Do the dessert done. I hope the ground is soft enough for me to get in here. am going to stop for now because this basket is full and I still have carrots out there and in the grow bags that I need to grab. But look at these. I mean, what the heck? Trying to see where am I in the camera. You see how big these carrots are? And all I know, because, oops, I was labeling, but they got mixed up. I'll just say it like that, because again, when they didn't come up, I put out more seeds, and I may have just dropped the seed where there was a spot. So, yeah. But I know all of them are the Nantes, Nantes, or Nantes, or however it's pronounced. But that's the type of carrots that I planted. But, I mean, look at these. It's huge. So, I'm going to get these greens cut off so I can take them in the house and wash them and start preparing them for storing. You found out when you turned to me, baby. I showed them other brothers how to do that. Okay, carrot harvest for today is done, and here is, still dripping, my harvest. Can you see? Can't see, but I know. Wow, some of these were like huge. I mean, this one, it's huge. This is a big carrot. This one, That's a decent sized carrot. This is a decent sized carrot. I mean, and this was all using that egg crate method. Now, there were some that got a little kind of funky. I don't know what happened to him. But can't beat them. And I absolutely love carrots. Love, 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 love carrots. So that is my video for today. Now, I will say this. The vest, my body is warm. My hands are cold because I just got them out of water. But I love this vest. Absolutely love this vest. And it's not too hot to where you start sweating. I like it. So, thanks, sweetie. So, if this is your first time or your 5th time on our channel, consider subscribing if you haven't. Please always like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be reminded or to be notified when we upload a video. Always remember, grow your own, eat your own. I know where these came from. They weren't sprayed with nothing that I wasn't aware about. I wasn't aware of. And it was absolutely nothing but water. Organic at its best. So, thank you for joining me. And until the next video, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
I'd like to thank you all for your subscriptions, likes, and shares. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.
Now let's see if I can get a thumbnail. Yes? No? I don't know.